eTop Technology is a managed service provider here in Redlands, California. We do networks, infrastructures, systems, security, internet, the full range of IT for our customers.
About 5-6 years ago, I was doing a lot of subcontract technical work for really large nationwide MSPs. And so as a result of that, I was doing a lot of really good technical work for like LA Unified, Long Beach Unified School Districts, and some other large clients as well. But what's really fun about that is it was easy, fun, always out there kind of work. But the downside of it is when 95 to 98% of your income is coming from those very few sources, it's very easy for them to turn off the work if they wish. I really took that to heart and took that as kind of a sign that we needed to pay a lot of attention to owning more of the customer relationships. And so we very quickly decided to start our own managed service provider. We really quickly hired our first salesperson, which we thought would immediately turn into lots of new clients overnight. Come to find out, it's a little bit more of a process, but we really worked hard for that first 6 or 8, 9 months, because all that work from subcontracting did drop off around July, and we started working to grow our business in January. So by the time July rolled around, we were really ready for it, and we landed our first real client in August or September of that year.